Hi, I'm Todd Giuselli with NewHomeSource here in Orlando, Florida at the International Builder Show. You've probably heard of Trex decking. Well, walking around the booth, we've learned that there's a lot more that the company offers now. Basically, everything imaginable for outdoor living. Transcend Deckings from Trex is their premium decking product. It is incredibly strong and scratch-proof, which pet owners love. It doesn't stain either. Trex signature railing is made of a powder-coated aluminum and is one of the products Trex highlighted most during IBS. It really is incredible that it is lightweight aluminum, and you can't tell from looking at it. Trex Lattice Works comes in 9 different styles and were shown at IBS for the first time. Lattice Works comes in black or white and can be used in many creative ways. Trex Pergola comes in 6 standard sizes and a virtually unlimited number of custom sizes. The classic charm and style of a pergola gives you the framework for your outdoor room. Trex entered the outdoor kitchen market last year. Their outdoor cabinetry is made from a high-density resin. Configurations are totally customizable, so you can add a refrigerator, wine rack, cooler, drawers, and more.